Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing these two sets from Rik and Rok. We have a gas station and a construction site. The gas station comes with a camper van. Wow, it has a convenience store, gas pumps, even a repair shop. You can collect and combine with other sets. The construction site comes with this dump truck. At the construction site, we have a crane and we have a scoop. I can't wait to check them out. We even have some labels. Let's put these sets together. Here's the gas station. This station has a repair shop. It also has a garage. You can ride up the ramp, stop at the convenience store, and we're ready to go. Let's put the other one together. Let's put on our labels. There's two different spots to park your vehicle. Go up the ramp and down the ramp. Come over to the loading area to load up your dump truck. Use the crane for bigger jobs. And let's check out this dump truck. Wow, the bed of the truck really raises and lowers. That's so neat. When you have more sets, you can combine and collect. Now your vehicle can cross from the construction area all the way to the gas station. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.